Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. If you are new here, welcome. Please make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy these types of videos. I have got for you a huge boots haul. If you don't watch my videos already, then you won't know that I actually work in a boot, so I get discount, and every so often we get double discount, so this is why I'm doing this video because we had double discount like a couple of weeks ago now. I am late filming this video. I need to get on top of things, but it's just sat in my makeup room, just on the floor in the bags, so I need to get them gone. But I've got 1, 2, 3 bags full of stuff. Without further ado, let's get straight into the haul. I don't know how long the lights are going to stay on in there, so if they do go black, then I apologise. But let's whiz through this. So I'm going to start off with this because I've been using it already. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E, moisturises and softens body oil, nutrient rich blend of oils, 48-hour moisture, dermatologist approved, for bath, body and shower. Instantly replenishes dry skin. What I've been loving about this, which I'm sure will be in my monthly favourite, so heads up, is it's just so nourishing. It doesn't feel like sticky on the skin, which I don't like about like lotions and stuff, or even body butters. So I thought I'd try a oil, and I've seen people raving about this one, so I picked it up. I'll definitely be getting another one. I absolutely love the smell as well. Oh, so nice. So yeah, that's the first thing. Okay, we're going to start off with this bag, I think. Okay, so then next thing I got is another body cream. This is the Boots Aquarius Cream B.P. This is for basically like eczema skin, and my friend in work said that this helped. I have looked at it. It does look really thick. I have used it once and it has got that smell to it. Why do eczema creams always smell the same? They're like very strong and obvious that you've got eczema cream on. It says for the relief of the symptoms of dry condition and for use instead of soap to wash the skin. Oh, that's good to know. You can use this in the shower as well. Relief of dry skin, soothes and softens and moisturises, fragrance free, lanolin free, 500 grams, and again, really good price. And I got a new tanning mitt. This is the one from Filter by Molly-Mae because she's now redesigned them. So they're now brown, and the mitt is so much easier to put on because it had that elastic bit at the bottom before, and I didn't like that, but it feels really soft, really smooth, so I'm glad I got that. Then 2 exciting products is the Estrid, the Razor Starter Kit. I got this purely because it is lilac, let's be honest, but the main reason why I bought it is because it comes with like a little attachment for in the shower to put on the wall. Love that idea. I love it, so that's why I got that. But again, I got an offer on it, so there's 2 heads in there as well. It comes with the stand and obviously the wall. And then I did get, which the oil leaked on, the Estrid travel case in the shade, it's actually called Space. I won't get the razor out, but I'll get this. Ooh, that's another reason why I bought that, because it came with a travel case, and I am always in need of a case for my razor because normally I just put it in my bag, and I don't really like that, do you know what I mean, for hygiene reasons. But I absolutely love the colour of it. It's very my colour, as you can see. Then I got the L'Oreal Revitalift Plumping Water Cream. This is the hyaluronic acid one, and I bought this specifically to use with a product that I'm going to be doing a video on soon. Again, last person to do it, but I love the design of this, and again, it's purple. My favourite colour. I'm not going to open it yet, but that's why I got this, because everyone's raving about it as well, and I just love a water cream. So I love that you pump it down and it's like a single dose. And I have used the face serum and the eye serum as well before, so I'm hoping this is going to be as good as those. And then I got, by accident, 2 of the Garnier Brightening Vitamin C Cream Cleanser. It's lucky, I love this, and it was on offer, and then I had my discount on top, so I accidentally, because I did a few different shops, I forgot that I got this, so I've got a backup of a backup. So I'm happy with that. I absolutely love this cleanser. It's so nice. Like it says, it's creamy, it smells good. I absolutely love the vitamin C range in Garnier. It's just so nice and I just love it. So I'm glad I got this because it helps with dull and even skin, gently cleanses, hydrates and boosts glow. It protects the skin barrier, pH neutral to skin, and stuff like that. So yeah, I love that. I bought some hay fever stuff because at the time my hay fever was so bad. It's sort of settled now. I think it's because I've been continuously using products to help. I bought the hay fever relief for adults. I already had one of these, so I've got a backup now. It's the hay fever like nasal spray, non-drowsy. You get 100 sprays in there, and I do probably like 4 a day. 2 in the morning and 2 in the night. And then I've got the Opticrom hay fever eye drops, which these, my friends, you need these if your eyes are itching. So good. Soothes and relieves eye symptoms of hay fever, itching, redness, soreness, watering and puffy eyelids. Got 10 mils and it's just so good, especially when it's on offer. You can get like buy one get one half price, I think it was. I'm not too sure. Then I also got 2 of the Alivia Axofelidine, I think that's how you say it. Again, hay fever. These are a godsend and they are chunky tablets, but they're so good and they help for 24 hours. It helps with sneezing, itchy, runny, blocked nose, itchy, watery and red eyes. Come with 30 tablets, and again I think you can get the 15 or whatever it is, and they were buy one get one half price as well. Then I got 2 of the Just Boots Everyday Curly Hair Mousse, which is a lightweight natural looking hold. They're 200ml each, and because I love to do heatless curls, these are so good and they're so inexpensive, and you don't need the pricey mousses. I have tried so many and this doesn't make my hair feel like crispy, or it doesn't go like bits in my hair, if you know what I mean. Really like these, and like I said, they're so inexpensive. That's why I stocked up. They last a while as well. I mean, I do only wash my hair once a week, so. Then I got some makeup wipes, and you guys are probably shouting at me through the screen, why have you bought makeup wipes? But these are purely because of my makeup kit, to get stuff off my hand or off my palette and stuff like that. It's not for taking my makeup off, or it's to take like excess eyeshadow off my client's eyes, or when I'm doing a makeup look, I like to take stuff off my hands and stuff like that. So it's not to take my makeup off, guys, it's just to help take makeup off, swatches off. So I got the Boots Moisturising Cleansing Wipes, and I got the Sensitive Skin Cleansing Wipes, which I like for my kit. Then I did get some of the Bodyform Regular Flow 20 Ultra with wings. Love the ones with wings. These are my favourite. I prefer these over the Always, is it? So I did buy a few more of these as well, but obviously I've put those away. But I just wanted to show you guys. These are my go-tos. I got lots of essentials in this video, but I got some Listerine. I actually bought 3 of these because they were on offer, and obviously, like I said, I got my discount on top. I got 3 of these because we go through these like it's water, honestly. It's the Listerine Cool Mint 1 litre. This is our favourite personal one. Then I got lots of these Boots Own body washes. I got 2 lime and 2 lemon. Fresh lime and zesty lemon body washes. Connor loves these and they do smell nice. You can't go wrong. These go on offer for like under 50p, I think. So yeah, and they're 250 mils each. Bargain, absolute bargain. I'm pretty sure they do like a raspberry one, a coconut one as well. They do loads of different scents, honestly. But then my favourite is the Soap and Glory Clean On Me Hydrating Body Wash in the original pink scent. I live and breathe this product. I absolutely love the original pink smell. It's so nice. It's delicious. If you haven't smelled it before, then go into a Boots and smell it. Oh, it's so good. So good. I did pick up a few of these again, but I have put them away. 3 for 2 I think sometimes on Soap and Glory. I'm sure I had 3 for 2, and then sometimes it's like half price on this. Bargain, and it is 500 millilitres. We're nearly to the end, guys. I am whizzing through this. I thought I had way more than this. It doesn't look like much on the floor because I had it in different bags. Oh well. Then I got the Dove Coconut Scent Anti-Perspirant Roll-On. This is my absolute go-to. If you know me, you'll know that I love coconut and I can't get away from this. It's so nice. I got one in the drawer already. But it does say it is 72 odour protection. I always pick this up, and the spray, which is, oh, it's over there, the coconut like spray deodorant to go with this when it's on offer, because it is so expensive lately. I don't know why. Love that scent. And then I got this, which I seen, if you've watched my previous Boots hauls, I don't know which one it's in, but I did get the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream Smell dupe and the Lush Snowflake, is it? I think, scent dupe. It's from Lush anyway, it's the bubblegum smell. But this is meant to be the Rouge. Do you know what, guys? It smells so similar. If you are going out, like a night out or for a meal or something, and you want your fragrance to last, and you're wearing either the Rouge, I can't remember what it's called, Rouge something, you know what I mean, or the Cloud by Ariana Grande, or the, there's another one that smells similar. Wash with this before you put it on. It's a shower and bath gel, natural jasmine extract. It's 500 mils. It says just a little sweet and just a little spicy. The scent was like a walk in the oriental garden filled with ambers and gentle jasmine. I'm guessing the scents are jasmine and amber, but I absolutely love it, and hopefully it lasts on the skin. I'll let you guys know. Then I got a backup of the Garnier Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Again, like the face wash cleanser, I absolutely love the vitamin C range from Garnier. It smells amazing. This serum makes my skin so soft, which I forgot to put this on this morning actually because I put it in here. This is the one I'm using now. Oh, it smells so good, but see how milky it is? Absolutely love it, and it's so inexpensive, and it's constantly on offer, so I would highly suggest running to Boots and grabbing yourself one of those. It also says that it's got 3.5% vitamin C plus niacinamide plus salicylic acid, and it also anti-dark spot action results in 6 days. So you can see on there that it helps with darkness throughout a couple of weeks. Amazing. That's what vitamin C is good for. Then I got a backup of the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I noticed they're doing the niacinamide one in Boots now, but I just got this one because I am running low. Like, she is thin. I needed a top of her and I thought it was on offer, so I picked it up. And then last but definitely not least, which I have used for the first time today, this L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Mascara in the Balm Brown, or just the brown mascara. This, guys, is the perfect brown tone ever. It's just such a nice chocolatey, ignore my tan on my hands please, it's such a nice chocolatey brown. It's rich, it's not too different to black, but I've got it on my eyes today. Absolutely love it. I seen it on someone's TikTok, I can't remember what her name is, Shana maybe. Love it. And I also love the brush, which I forgot to say. It's like a plastic wand, but it's quite flexible, which I like that. I didn't need another mascara to open because I've literally got so many to use up, but I haven't got any brown mascaras like this. I've got burgundy, but not brown. So that is my haul all done. That is everything I got from Boots. I did, like I said, get multiple of a few bits, but I know how much you guys love my Boots hauls, so if you are watching this and you are not subscribed to my channel, then please check that you are subscribed, because we are so close to 3,000 subscribers and I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and I am doing these videos more now because I've got a lot more time. Let me know if you want to see more Boots hauls on my channel. If you do, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you want to see from me. If it's more Boots hauls, if it's the Superdrug as well, or makeup tutorials, etc, etc. Please do let me know. I always listen to your suggestions. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, like I just said. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!